Hello everybody, this is the Introvert Gadgety here. Today we're going to be looking at something pretty special. It's the new Nintendo 3DS XL Hyrule Edition. I feel that I was quite fortunate to find and pick one of these up, as I've not seen many of these in the UK in a PAL edition, and especially in such nice box condition. When I spoke to the seller, they mentioned that they bought this on release day and kept it hidden away until the day that I'd bought it. And I don't know about you, but if I picked this up on release day, I'd be more than eager to get straight into it. So props to the seller for having incredible willpower in keeping this sealed in the box for over 10 years. If the thought bubbles are rising in your head about how much I paid for this, it was an eye-watering £618. But I feel a purchase like this is justified, as I am a huge Zelda fan, and with something so pretty and so collectible, I just couldn't pass up on the opportunity. So, let's not waste any more time and get straight into the unboxing. We'd just like to appreciate the art on the box before we get into the contents. So on the front, we've got a lovely picture of the console itself. Put the PEGI rating down here, signifying it is the Hyrule edition. And a lot of these special edition 3DS XLs don't seem to come with a charger, which I find quite fascinating. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I assume these were only given out or sold at conventions and Nintendo release days. But drop your thoughts in the comments, as I can't confirm that. On the side, just a bit of writing, and on the back, a lovely sketch of Link and the inside of the 3DS. One thing I did want to mention before we open up the box is that Nintendo seem to not include seals on the boxes, a little bit like the Switch 2. I don't know whether this is a UK based thing or whether it happens in other regions as well. If you're from anywhere outside the UK and you do get seals on your box, like the Switch 2 or the 3DS, drop your comments down below, as I'd be interested to know. So to open the box, there's a little flap here that opens up. And we can lift the lid. And we've got some lovely Zelda design on the flaps there. Pretty simple unboxing for the looks of the contents. So first to come out the box, just put that over there, is our manuals and AR cards, which should still be sealed in the packet. Yes, they are. And coming over to the main event, 3DS XL itself. Should really be wearing gloves for this. I just want to get as much detail as possible, because the design is absolutely stunning. You can see my fingerprints are already making their home on the 3DS. Very similar design all round. If you've seen the Majora's Mask 3DS XL Special Edition, this gold is a lot more yellow. Both very striking consoles. Arguably, I think this is one of the most expensive special editions in the UK of the 3DS XL, alongside the Fire Emblem and SNES edition. So we'll just take a quick look round the side. We've got our game slot, the pen here. That looks like the power switch. Our trigger buttons and ZR buttons on either side. This is our charge port here. We go ahead and open the lid. Very nice. Again, drop your thoughts down below. Would you have preferred to see the same gold design on the inside of the 3DS? I have just tried to power on the 3DS XL, and as expected, there is absolutely no juice in the battery. Kind of expected, being sat in the box for 10 years. So I'm just going to go away and put some juice in the battery, and then we'll rejoice once it's fully charged. And so, we are back. It's been a couple of hours, so it's given me a chance to charge up the battery and set the console up. So we just go ahead and power the system on, and then we can take a closer look. So it's got a very similar design for the UI interface to the 2DS XL and DSi, so I won't go into too much detail on all the buttons and what they do. I do have a game over here on the side, and what better game to play on the Zelda themed 3DS than Zelda Ocarina of Time. So just get this popped in the console. Let me take a look at some gameplay. So the game just slots in on the bottom here and goes in like that. I did originally play this on the N64, but I've not actually played the 3DS remake, so I'm quite excited to get into this. Just go ahead and hit the start button. I'm completely and utterly delighted that I've been able to have the opportunity to unbox and play this little gem. For any serious Zelda and 3DS fan collector, this iconic special edition system is a must, if you can find one at a good price. Despite the eShop shutting down, there's still a massive library of physical games and a modding community for the 3DS XL that make them worth buying as much in 2025 as they were when they were first released. But I will be ending the video here. But if you like what you saw, feel free to drop your favourite 3DS game in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one.